It's 2 in the morning. A man wakes up in total darkness, but he isn't worried. He isn't checking a clock. He isn't scrolling a phone. Because for him, and for almost every human before the modern age, waking up in the middle of the night wasn't a problem.
It was the plan.
Tonight, millions of people will wake up at 3 a.m. and panic. They'll think something is wrong with them. But here's the truth nobody told you. Your body might not be broken. It might be doing exactly what human bodies did for thousands of years. For most of human history, there was no such thing as sleeping 8 straight hours. Historians who studied thousands of old letters, diaries, and court records discovered something remarkable. Our ancestors slept in 2 separate shifts. They called the first one simply first sleep. Here's how a normal night worked. When darkness fell, people went to bed early, around 9 or 10. They slept 3 to 4 hours. Then, around midnight or 1 in the morning, almost everyone woke up. And they stayed awake for an hour, sometimes 2. This wasn't insomnia. It was normal and expected. The French even had a name for it.
Dorve, the watch.
A quiet pocket of time between 2 sleeps. So what did people do at midnight? The records tell us everything. They prayed. They ate a small meal. They tended the fire. They talked with their families in bed. Some visited neighbors. Doctors of the time even recommended it as the best hour for couples to conceive children.
And this wasn't rare.
First sleep and second sleep appear everywhere. In prayer books, medical texts, court testimony, even ancient Roman writing. People mentioned it casually the way we mention lunch. Nobody explained it because everybody already knew. So what killed the second sleep? Light. In the 1800s, gas lamps and then electric bulbs turned night into day. Bedtime moved from 9 o'clock toward midnight, and the night was compressed into one single block of sleep. Then the factories finished the job. The industrial age demanded workers at fixed hours. Lying awake at midnight stopped being sacred and started being wasteful. Within 2 generations, the 2 sleep-night humans had kept for thousands of years vanished from memory. But here's the twist. In the 1990s, a scientist placed volunteers in darkness for 14 hours. Every night, no artificial light, just like a pre-modern winter. Within weeks, something incredible happened. The volunteers naturally split their sleep into 2 shifts, with a calm hour awake in the middle. The old pattern was still inside them. It's still inside you. So the next time you wake at 3 a.m., remember, you may not be broken. You may be echoing the oldest human night there is. Don't grab your bright phone. Do what your ancestors did. Rest, breathe, and let the second sleep come find you. 8 hours of unbroken sleep isn't an ancient law of nature. It's a modern invention, younger than the light bulb, which makes you wonder, what else about normal life was invented 5 minutes ago? The next video will shock you even more. Subscribe. 1 video is all it takes.